Quaid, you got any cream?
No.
Hey guys, I'm gonna go down to the Stop and Shop, okay? Bye. It's starting to rain on me. I'm gonna make some spaghetti. We're in the process of making some spaghetti, as you can see. Today's recipe will contain gluten-free spaghetti, very high in carbs. We've got some cream here for your dairy, very yummy stuff. The recipe told me to put freshly minced garlic, but we don't have any garlic, and Shell nor Stop and Shop had any garlic, so we have garlic powder. And we'll also be using this to make garlic bread. We have some butter for the creamy white sauce, and as a garnish we have some parsley flakes. The recipe says freshly chopped parsley flakes, but we got dehydrated, so yeah, it'll be good stuff. So we'll start making that white sauce. We've already got some water boiling right here for the spaghetti. Yeah, that looks like some boiling water, right? Now we're gonna get the spaghetti going then. I want to turn this down a bit. Oh, I dropped boiling water on my toes. Gluten free. Good for you. How do you put spaghetti into boiling water?
Dump it in.
Oh! Yeah, baby.
And then, like, when the noodles soften, it'll, like, okay, maybe.
I'm gonna add some Himalayan pink salt to reduce stick and increase taste. I think that might have been a bit much. Now that we've got the spaghetti going, we're gonna get started on our white sauce meat. Step one is to add the butter to the saucepan and melt it in the saucepan. About 50 milliliter worth of butter thrown in there. It tastes good. Just give it a little scoop. Give the butter a little scoop there. It's about good. It's about good. That 50, the good 50 milliliters. Should be good. Should. That's some good melt. That right there. Good stuff. Better stuff. Best stuff. Nice, dude. That's fun. Forgot to mention, you know, it says freshly shredded Parmesan. We don't have that, so we just got stuff. Put it on your spaghetti. Except now we're doing it in the recipe. Butter's looking just about melted here, so we're gonna go ahead and throw in the cream. Shabam. Gonna let it sizzle for about 5 minutes. Don't forget, gotta clean up after yourself. Ignore this sink full of dishes. Gotta clean up after yourself. This is not my problem. This is my problem. Allergies is not a fun one. A little spaghetti on the ground bag in here. Gotta clean up after yourself. It's very important to clean up. If you don't clean up, you're at risk of getting ants. They increase the temperature on this since it's not really sizzling. No! It's important to make sure that you don't make a mess, or else you're just making light. No! A little bit of mess is okay. Open it up. Oh, the spaghetti's going over! Turn down that element. No, let's just turn that off. That should be ready. I want to add that cheese right in there. It says 150 grams, and I looked up convert grams to milliliters, and it said that they were the same thing. There we go, looking good. Gonna add it to the what's popping off over here. And just take a little nice good old scoop. Throw it on in there. Take another one, just to be safe. Throw it on in there. The recipe says 1 clove of garlic, freshly minced. However, we don't got that. Just stir thoroughly, then throw in the parsley, and then you've got your white sauce.
Is it ready yet?
No! I gotta deal with the spaghetti. We've got the spaghetti here. We got ourselves a drainer, and throw the spaghetti in there. Perfect. You know what it smells like?
Smells like Teen Spirit.
I was gonna say it smells like white sauce spaghetti, but alright. Smells like Teen Spirit. White sauce? All done. We're gonna put on the garlic bread. Very simple thing. This is just something my mother taught me when I was craving garlic bread. And I'm like, Mom, give me some of your delicious homemade garlic bread that you make for me sometimes. And she taught me the recipe. And it's literally just throwing butter on some normal bread and then throwing some garlic powder on it. This is the future. Nice. Get your garlic powder going. Take a little spoon. You're probably wondering, hey Ethan, what's the nutritional value of this great value garlic powder? Let's check the back. Nothing. Take yourself your bread that you just crafted, throw it in the toaster. This one too, throw that right in the toaster. If you're looking for a more authentic look to your garlic bread, I recommend using half a hot dog bun. We're gonna bring the white sauce over here. Time to get Quaid his spaghetti. Just take a nice little handful, slap it on in there. Looks like soup's almost up. Lob it on. Oh, we forgot to add the parsley. Cool. Throw it on there. Yourself another one. Put it on. Yourself another one. Put it on. Now that might count. Oh, it's done. Look. It smells like garlic in here. It really smells like garlic. Nailed it. Nailed it. Good stuff. It's hot. Just like me. Now, a smart person wouldn't do this, and they wouldn't grab the really hot bread. But I don't play by the rules. Grab another one. Pick it up. Bring it over. Look at that. Look at that texture. Look at that texture. Look how good that looks. Even I think this looks good as hell. You know what Gordon Ramsay would say about this? It's not rotten. It's good. Potato salad. Specifically, home-style potato salad. That's basically homemade. Grab Quaid a big spoon, because he's a big boy. Slap it. Get another big scoop, since I know Quaid loves potato salad. For a beverage, we're serving up Quaid his favorite aloe water. Aloe water is actually just plants. This is the greatest, this is the best vegetarian meal you can have. Just the final step. I didn't shake it. It's very important to shake unyummy drinks. I mean, uncarbonated drinks. You know why? Because the flavor will all sink to the bottom if you don't do that. So now, shooken up. Flavors everywhere. Flavors all around. Got a little bit of extra aloe left over. Quaid's still feeling thirsty. It's all his. Dig in, Quaid. Mix up your spaghetti. Very important. Very good. Gotta spread out the flavor, you know what I'm saying? What are your thoughts so far? You haven't even eaten into it. How does what do you think of the setup? What do you think of the look of the spaghetti? What do you think of the garlic bread?
The spaghetti sauce looks very chunky, to be honest.
Well, that's, you know, who cares, right? That's what white sauce spaghetti looks like.
Is it?
Yeah.
Alright.
No one makes things smooth. It's all about the texture and the flavor. It's good. It's yummy.
The garlic bread looks pretty decent, I must say.
Yeah.
Haven't tried it yet.
It's my homemade specialty.
The potato salad looks like store-bought potato salad.
Hey.
Alright, without further ado, let's dig in.
Initial thoughts. First bite.
You know what? It's not bad.
It's gluten-free spaghetti. You liking it?
How many carbs are in this?
There's a few.
Okay.
Garlic bread, gotta try it, gotta eat it, gotta yum. Does this go against your diet? Does this entire meal go against your diet?
Almost entirely.
Nice. What do you think of the garlic bread?
It's better than I expected.
It's good, right?
Yeah.
Taking a swig.
Like, it doesn't, to be honest, it doesn't look all that appetizing. Like, if the garlic bread doesn't, like, it kind of just looks like bread with, like, brown sugar on it.
Yeah.
But, when you actually taste it, it's quite nice.
It's pretty good, right? Thank you. You know, I've never made this recipe before, but glad you like it. Nice. Try the potato salad. Basically homemade.
Alright.
Now, after tasting everything, what's your verdict, Quaid?
So, as far as look goes, I'm gonna have to give it a bit of a, like a 5.5 on that part, because...
Out of 10?
Out of 10, yes, because,
That's a passing grade.
I mean, yeah, it's okay, but it doesn't look all that appetizing.
I mean...
And, but for taste, though, I'm gonna have to give it a high to a decent 7 on that.
High to a decent 7. Glad to hear it. That's a good B. That's a good B mark.
So all around, it was a good meal.
Oh hi, Quake just finished his meal. It's time to clean up. Cleaning up is very important. That's to make sure you don't get any horrible diseases like AIDS,